You've got your laser cut kit, and the parts are clean and crisp. But then you reach for the glue, and that is where the problems start. Serious modelers worldwide avoid these headaches by going immediately to the glue they trust. Deluxe Materials Laser Cut Kit Glue. Laser Cut Kit Glue features clean assembly, faster builds, and frustration-free results. It works with wood, MDF, and card-based kits alike. The Deluxe Materials Laser Cut Kit Glue is supplied with a long-reach needle applicator for more precision and accuracy, making it easy to reach even the most inaccessible location on the model. The included cleaning pen helps you keep the adhesive flowing freely, all stored in the bottle cavity for safe transit. A fine dispensing needle and thin bead of glue make for neat glue application. Contrast that with the mess of thicker white glue straight from the bottle. It has a fast grab formula, so no waiting around. A precision applicator gives you full control, even on tiny trim pieces. No warping, even the thinnest wood parts. And it dries clear, with no shrinkage or shine, and has no odor, giving expert results. Also works well gluing card, plastic, or painted parts on your wood kit. And an important tip: when not in use, rest the inverted bottle tip on a damp sponge. This ensures it stays clean and always ready to use. The tip can easily be cleaned with warm water at the end of a work session. Deluxe Materials Laser Cut Kit Glue is distributed through all good hobby shops by Walthers, Horizon Hobby, Hobby Time, Stevens International, and Heartland Hobby. Or order direct from your local hobby store or online from megahobby.com. Visit your local hobby shop and ask for Deluxe Materials Laser Cut Kit Glue by name.